The application template requires the following macros. Question 1, Q1 unchecked. Question 2, Q2 unchecked. Question 3, Q3 unchecked. And submit, which is composed of two macros, save file and initialize. The question 1 macro is attached to the first yes button. The Q1 unchecked macro is attached to the first no button. Dim statements, which are not shown, set ANS1 to Boolean, which means that either a true or false is stored in the variable ANS1. When the learner clicks on yes, ANS1 is set to true. If the learner clicks on no, ANS1 is set to false. The macros for the second and third question on this slide are similar. The submit macro is attached to the submit button. It consists of a message and two additional macros, save file and initialize. The message informs the learner the answers that will be saved. The initialize macro sets ANS1, ANS2, and ANS3 back to false in preparation for the next learner. The save file is a bit more complex. Its purpose is to add the data from this slide to the file that was already created for the student by the register macro. The first statement in this macro gets the name of the slide that will be used in the data file to identify the data from this slide. Each slide in PowerPoint has a unique name. The name is the word slide followed by a number. This is not the sequence number, but a number assigned to the slide when it was created. As you are aware, sequence numbers change when you add a new slide. The number in a slide name does not change. The slide name of the application template slide is slide 4. To keep track, I have put the slide name in the lower left corner of each slide. To determine the slide name, select the Developer tab on the command ribbon. Then select Macros from the Code panel. The Macro dialog panel will list the name of all of the macros associated with your PowerPoint. There is a macro named getSlideName. Select this macro and then click on the Run button in the Macro panel. The slide name will be displayed in a message box. The next three statements identify the file and open it for appending or adding information to the file. The first WriteLine statement inserts a blank line. The following WriteLine statements add the slide name and the value true or false for each of the three questions on the slide. The close statement closes the file.